Here's the 3D scanner in operation. And what it does is the arm rotates one time around, and in this version of the program, it's taking a picture basically as fast as a camera can, grabs the data, looks for the laser dot, measures the distance, writes it to a file, and then moves on. Once the arm goes around 360 degrees, then the base will turn an increment, whatever I have it set to. I think right now it's 1/1000th of a revolution, and that base will turn 180 degrees total, so that we get a full 360 sphere scanned over the course. So on the front side, here's the beagle bone black this time I have running. I have a kind of a terminal cape that I made to hook the wires up. It's being run off a USB power supply right now. Far side is just a stepper motor, I guess driver circuit board I made. Actually, it was for a robot I had, so I just reused it. Inside the base, there's a stepper motor. And the tower here has got power supply for the laser on it, even though it doesn't need it because I'm running it off of these two power supplies. These things are really nice to have. You can set the current limit and the voltage limit. And so when you're working with lasers, current's a big deal if you don't want to burn them out. Back side here is a stepper motor that runs the arm. I'm not impressed with the stepper motor jerkiness, I should say. A better design for this would have been to maybe run with a pulley set or a gear drive to reduce do a gear reduction just to kind of smooth out the motion a little bit. So right now this scanner is running on low resolution, 800 by 600, 600 by 800, whatever. And so it's actually taking quite a few points as it goes around in a circle here. So probably take a couple hours though to scan this room at this rate. When I had it at higher resolution to get more accuracy on the distance to the points, but a little slower. And that took, I think the scan file that I actually loaded to the page that I have the project stored on actually took like 5 hours to scan this room. I guess it's not that impressive. I'd like to go with a time of flight system, you know, make a better arrangement overall. This is just something that was cheap and easy to make with parts I had left over from a robot I had built.